What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your side view mirror on a Chevy Malibu. Alright, here we go. This is what we're going to do. First things first, there is a cover out here. As you can see, there's a line dividing the cover. We're going to remove this plastic cover out of here and expose the screws that are inside. Alright, let's do that real quick. Alright, so just like that, you may want to peel this back. It's going to go almost all the way. Keep in mind, you don't have to take it all the way out. Just enough so you can get a tool and remove these 3 screws right here that you see. They look like 10 or 13 millimeters, more like 10. So 1, 2, and 3. Get a small tool in there and unplug this, because this is your mirror, and that's how you unplug it with the little tab. Move it out of the way. All right, so see, you can just move this to have enough room. There we go, got a clear shot. All right, so take them off just like that and do the same thing with that last one, and this should just come right off. Okay. All right, now with all the screws are removed, you may want to remove the mirror. Let's give it a tug, my friend. Can you do that for me? Can you grab the mirror, pull it out, like wiggle it up and out, get it out, just like that. That's how you remove the mirror, guys. And we're gonna install it in reverse order. All right, so here we go, guys. Here's the new mirror, new part. You know, we're gonna put it back in place just the same way you took the old mirror out. So pop it in, get that foam all the way in, and make sure everything lines up back here. And we're gonna go ahead and drive that screw just like that. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, so with your screws all tightened in, make sure you plug everything back in, and let's put that plastic cover back. And just like that is how you replace your side view mirror on a Chevy Malibu, newer year model. Check that out. That's how you replace your side view mirror on a Malibu. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.